Welcome to the Arbutus Analyzer tutorial series. This tutorial will discuss how to use auto-executing procedures with Arbutus Analyzer. I have a table called Employees Over 65. When I click on this table, you'll notice that by default, a little script or procedure will run in the background. You might have been able to see there, it just happened quickly. But what actually happened there was by touching this table, it launched in what we call an auto-executing procedure. To show this, I'll go to Tools, Options, and select Show Hidden Overview Items. You'll notice there's a script or procedure called Employees Over 65 _. Anytime you have a procedure with the same name as a table, but it also has a trailing underscore, that has a special significance. It means that that object, that procedure, will be hidden by default in the overview, and any contents of that script will be executed whenever the table of the same name is opened. If I click on the script, we can just take a look here. It's a fairly simple little script that just refreshes the employees database table, then it opens up the employees table, and it does an extraction to a new table based on any records it finds where the person's age is over 65. I know it's age discrimination, but this is just simply an example. Another way we could make this an auto-executing procedure is, I'll just change the name here, we won't have one of these underscores. What we can actually do is we can use a little parameter called noFormat. So when we write out data, we'll just write out a data file. We won't write out an actual format file for it because the format already exists. And then what I can do is I can go into the format for that particular table. I can click on the Table Options tab, and you'll see here there's an area called Auto Run. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put in the command do employees over 65, and that will automatically do the same thing as having the script with an underscore. Every time I open up this table, it will come in here, it will look for an auto run line. It says, aha, there's a script called employees over 65. I need to run that first. And what we'll do is we'll just execute this. If I touch the table, if I open the table, same thing. It ran the script underneath it, created a new table showing me my most current employees that are over 65. For more information regarding auto-executing procedures with Arbutus Analyzer, please check the Analyzer help or contact your local support personnel.